Bless up my people. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know what's the NEWLINK there and from NEWLINK production. Giving thanks to life as usual, people. You don't know what the thing go. We say attack. Watch it, me fix this up. Fix my chain around my neck. You understand? Some people I take the chain different, you know. But me fix it around my neck. Cause the chain I mean. Chain I mean. Well, people, right about now. What me I gonna talk about now, people? Boy, me I tell you, you know. I don't know. Right? And when me I gonna talk about this sad news right now, people, that took place in G0AT in a Kingston, people, and honestly, I don't know if it's because of this man profession we used to do before that caused him life now, or the situation we're in now that caused him life, because it's a turbulent, sticky one pan this brother, you know. You know what I mean? Because news are reach NEWLINK now, people. Say a G0AT bus driver, and everybody know that that's the Jamaica Urban Transportation Company. You understand? Driver was found this morning, people, with him through a bus like a goat. Sorry if I say it's a half full, people, but at the truth with him through a bus. Cause when he was a reach NEWLINK now, people, the man finished work yesterday in the evening and thing. You understand? And so him normally go do look a taxi work and thing. And if he turn up at work 4 o'clock in the morning, because you know they have the school picking them for carry and them something they call Monday morning, and plus they have people that go work early at airport and so the company was they start work early. So 4 o'clock if you turn up at work and them a call him, then now get him phone people. Them a call, no answer, nothing. You understand? So they make a circle around him yard and think people, and it's cause him live in a G0AT in a that's him live. When it comes to boom now, people, them seeing car parking in a section in the community, in the same community where man live, people. And when them comes to boom now, that a 4, you understand, them comes to boom now and go searching at the car, people. Oh my world, oh my precious. Them find the man in the car, people, dead. As me tell you with them through a bus. You get me, I say? And news are reach NEWLINK now, people said this man was a former police officer in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Right now, them saying leave him wife and must have 2 children. You understand, people? Which is really sad and terrible. We tell you, and nobody don't know why them took this man out, why them kill him or not. Them don't know if it's because he was a police and news that reach NEWLINK when he retire out of the force or not, if for how long or whatever. You understand? And yo, me I tell you, it's tough enough, people. It's rough enough. Not joking, you know. It's rough down a yard there. You get me? I said that's why me I tell you, I say we a place around now, people. Try not in no problem with nobody. You understand? Try stay up on the safer side. You get me? I say stay out of trouble, stay out of wrongness, stay out of corruption. All of them something the people try live clean. Try live as best as possible as I can be. Because the things that are weird, you know. Nobody come tell NEWLINK the Bermuda story, because this is not Bermuda, this is Jamaica we are dealing with. You understand? Me feel proud and I feel happy for the Bermuda and them. Yes, I feel great for no say yeah. Them say what? In the past 20 years, them the record a murder, which is great. Me don't mind as a Jamaica did be, but people, what can we do? Eh? We have a population that's way bigger than Bermuda, but we still can do better. You understand? We need to implement some different resources or something, people, but they set a way. I'm tired for talk. You understand? So from me, NEWLINK production man and the whole team, boy, I don't know why them took out this man. Cause news are reach NEWLINK say involved in no wrongs, not this and that still, you know. You know what I mean, people? We don't know say any more details or information NEWLINK get on this thing. But definitely I gonna make you know, but it's just sad and terrible. And I'll make you answer yo. We just send out my condolences to him family, them, you know. You don't know, say him having wife and he having children, them set speed. You understand? So my deepest condolences to them and hope them take it on, but boy, it's just sad. It's not the first time we see a G0AT worker get cut down, and it's not the first time we see a former police get cut down. You know what I mean? But only just sees and he knows. So you don't know a thing, my viewers and my subscribers want to tell us how they are giving Jah thanks life as usual on a daily basis. You understand? They are do some driving, experimenting. You know what we do it? Me always drive and give some experimenting of people. You understand? You know, I'm always going to the studio and do look up videos, see them way, but most of the time I like drive and do it, because when me I drive, like me get the inspiration. If you do me, if you really put out my topic them out there in a better format. You see it? So me just love me thing just different, man. Me NEWLINK just love it different. Me just want it different. What me say? Me want it different. So big up to my fans them, man. You understand? Big up my fans them, and yeah, man, so now me have a bridge in them, I want big up. I should have big him up already, but me have got big him up now. Brother Peter, big up yourself, Peter General. Big up yourself. You understand? Really old. Big up yourself, Peter. You get me? I say, all of the fans them out there, man. I'm bridging the bellies. Big up yourself, man. You don't know, say, you link up NEWLINK and say, you link. Love how you big up bellies. So, big up on yourself. The whole Jamaica, NEWLINK love on. Big up on yourself. Attack them. Watch your ass massive. NEWLINK love on. Big up. Peace out.